Mastering lean manufacturing applications. Operational excellence means nothing without a clear, strategy-driven definition that fuels goal alignment and long-term success. When an organization strives to achieve operational excellence, what is its definition of this concept, and how does it specifically align with its overall business strategy to ensure goal congruence and drive sustainable improvements? In the pursuit of operational excellence, an organization defines this concept as a state of perfection in operational efficiency, where all processes are optimized, waste is eliminated, and value is maximized for customers, employees, and stakeholders. This definition is rooted in the principles of lean manufacturing, which aims to create a culture of continuous improvement, employee empowerment, and data-driven decision-making. Achieving operational excellence is not an end state, but rather a continuous journey of improvement, driven by a relentless focus on enhancing customer satisfaction, reducing variation, and increasing process reliability. It requires a deep understanding of the organization's overall business strategy and a deliberate effort to align operational goals with strategic objectives. To achieve goal congruence, organizations must establish clear and measurable objectives that are cascaded down to every level of the organization. This ensures that every department, team, and individual is working towards the same goals, eliminating siloed thinking and promoting collaboration. The operational excellence strategy is designed to support the organization's overall business strategy, which is typically focused on growth, profitability, and market leadership. The alignment of operational excellence with the overall business strategy is critical to drive sustainable improvements. This is achieved by 1. Defining key performance indicators, KPIs. Organizations establish KPIs that are aligned with the business strategy, such as lead time reduction, inventory turns, and customer satisfaction. These metrics serve as a scoreboard to measure performance and identify areas for improvement. 2. Root cause analysis and problem solving. Employees are empowered to identify and solve problems using tools like Kaizen, to make, define, measure, analyze, improve, control, and root cause analysis. This continuous problem-solving approach helps to eliminate waste, reduce variation, and improve process reliability. 3. Process standardization. Standardized work processes are established to ensure consistency, reduce errors, and increase efficiency. This includes the development of standard operating procedures, work instructions, and training programs. 4. Employee engagement and empowerment. Employees are encouraged to take ownership of their work, identify opportunities for improvement, and implement changes. This is achieved through training, coaching, and recognition programs that foster a culture of continuous improvement. 5. Continuous improvement culture. A culture of continuous improvement is promoted through regular audits, assessments, and feedback mechanisms. This ensures that employees are aware of the organization's performance, and are empowered to make improvements and suggest changes. 6. Data-driven decision-making. Data is used to drive decision-making, and to measure the effectiveness of improvement initiatives. This includes the use of statistical process control, visual management, and performance metrics to track progress and identify areas for improvement. 7. Leadership commitment and accountability. Leaders are committed to the operational excellence strategy, and are held accountable for its implementation and results. This includes setting goals, providing resources, and recognizing employee achievements. 8. Supply chain collaboration. Organizations collaborate with suppliers, partners, and customers to drive improvements in the entire value chain. This includes joint improvement initiatives, supplier development programs, and collaborative planning and forecasting. By aligning operational excellence with the overall business strategy, organizations can achieve goal congruence, drive sustainable improvements, and create a competitive advantage. This is critical in today's fast-paced and ever-changing business environment, where companies must be agile, responsive, and customer-centric to succeed. In conclusion, operational excellence is a critical component of an organization's overall business strategy. It requires a relentless focus on improving processes, eliminating waste, and maximizing value for customers and stakeholders. By aligning operational excellence with the business strategy, organizations can drive sustainable improvements, increase customer satisfaction, and achieve long-term success.